In today's video, we're going to be clearing a walking path, putting in a small kill plot, setting up some cameras and putting out some mineral. We're going to be clearing a spot for a box blind. We also have a small plot that we're going to be putting in that is not accessible by tractor. So we're going to be using the walk behind tiller to put in a small food plot. So in this food plot, we're going to be using Evolved Mega Plot Hunter Series Annual Food Plot Seed Mix, which includes winter wheat, forage rape, and annual clover. For our mineral, we're using Wild Game Innovations Apple Crushed Attractant. So we're going to get loaded up, gassed up, and get going. So even though it's very brushy, this looks like our best spot to be able to clear a path because we won't have to cut as many trees down going through here. Did a little recon in the woods, and so I think this is going to be our best bet with cutting the least amount of trees as possible. Doesn't matter if it winds a little bit, no big deal, as long as it can get to that box blind. Starting to spit rain a little bit, not going to affect us too much as long as it just keeps to a sprinkle. Might actually help us when we put in our seeds to kind of get them to germinate a little faster. So the area behind me is where we're going to be putting the kill plot. Reason being, we get just enough sun that I think these new plants will be able to grow and thrive here. Probably have to do a little bit of branch clearing up above just to give it a little bit more sunlight. But all in all, it's going to be kind of a weird, funky shape. This is only about 30 yards away from where the box blind is going to be. So it will be within bow range of the box blind, which is another bonus. So it's starting to rain, so I'm gonna start getting to tilling. We've got the area pretty well cleared up. I got a few spots to get, and then we want to try to get these seeds in the ground while it's raining here. I was taking kids in this morning. The sunrise was red. They say a red sun in the morning, sailors take warning. And even though there was no weather in the forecast, it looks like the old adage is true, because getting a lot of raindrops and it's looking pretty dark over there. So we don't have a whole lot of time. I have a feeling that it could pour at any time. So we got to get the seed in ASAP. Got everything mowed. Now we're gonna run the tiller over it. That's the Magic Eagle cell cam with the solar charger. Works real well and pretty budget friendly. So with the Magic Eagle, you can't see it because the sun's kind of in your way here, but as you can see on my phone, I can watch what the camera is able to see. So that way when I spread this mineral out, I know that it's going to be in frame.